Good morning. Welcome back to John's Texas Workshops. It's going to show you a project that we've been working on. My daughter's been wanting a raised garden bed, and we were trying to put her one together. I scheduled 2 weeks to get it done. It'll probably take me 6, but anyway, how things go through here. But uh, these beds are going to be 20 foot long and 4 foot wide. That way, it's going to be open on all the sides, so you really only have to reach in 2 foot to work on each side. So we got this last panel to put up. We'll see if we can scoot this one over here. Those electric chain hoists are so handy. Anyway, I'll kind of tell you how we're building these. It's really kind of an experiment, but I hope it'll last a while. Anyway, up in Kansas, they were tearing down a bunch of hog barns, and they had these sow pens, is what these were, and they had these plastic panels that kept the sows after they had their piglets, and they're tearing it down. So we went up and bought some on an auction, and it's kind of a neat product. You can buy this at Home Depot, or at least you can order it. I saw in there. It's pretty expensive, but we got this stuff for about 50 cents a linear foot, so it was pretty cheap. And it's 30 inches by these pieces are all different. They're usually about 7 or 8 foot long. Anyway, it was used, so we got about 50 cents in it a foot, and we're using this 2 3/8 inch oil filled pipe, which is about $2 a foot. And I guess we kind of have an advantage. We're using part of an old irrigation pivot, galvanized. It's not much fun to weld with, but if you wear a mask and have plenty of ventilation, you can get by with it. But using this angle iron on the inside to hold them up, and then we're putting the oil lines, and we're smushing them and welding them for the outside for our braze. I don't know how long this plastic will hold up. I mean, the inside is going to be protected by the cool earth, and it's got protection from the outside. It ought to last a good while, and we're going to paint all this outside with the gray enamel, pretty heavy, and you use that on irrigation pipes where we have out there, and just keep putting the paint on them. Some of them have been there for 15, 20 years. So it's been working. Anyway, I'll show you some time lapse and kind of how we put this together. So, our final height's going to be 36 inches. So it's going to be about right to work on. And we'll fill it up with dirt and manure, and we'll see how it works. We'll try to give y'all a finished show after a while. It may be a while. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all stopping by. If you get a chance, you might hit that subscription button or leave me a comment. Hey, thanks for stopping.